channel. I'm Nimi, and today my topic is going to be something very interesting. I've been wanting to talk on this topic for a very long time now. My topic is, why do people unsubscribe our channel? Right, so for the past week I have seen a lot of decline in my subscribers. So the thing is that people, they come to you with one motive only. They want you to subscribe to their channel, and as soon as you do that, not even a day, like straight away as you subscribe to them, you let them know, they'll just come and unsubscribe your channel. And it is really disgusting of them to do so. Also, they blame that you don't make good content. Hello, I wasn't the one who came to you. You're the one who came to me, begging for me to subscribe to your channel. And the thing is, most of my old friends know that I can't be monetized because my country is not in YouTube partnership program. And even if I was monetized, I wouldn't bother if people would unsubscribe, because subscription is nothing compared to views. Yes, I don't even get views. People should know this by now, that I do this for my hobby. I love to do YouTube as a hobby, and what it does is it diverts my mind. I meet so many great people here. I have been friends with some of them since 2018. They're still so close to me. I have made so many friends last year, this year, and those people are very genuine and they mean a lot to me, and I have already done a little shout out for them. And what else? The main thing is that some profiles, some accounts, they're fake, bogus. So what YouTube does is they automatically detect what accounts are spam, and they delete or completely remove that account, so we lose those subscribers. And YouTube also notices this, that when we go to someone's profile and we write sub for sub, so what happens, YouTube automatically makes that person disappear from our profile, so he gets unsubscribed, because they don't want this, sub to sub thing to happen. And but that's like maybe 20 out of 100%, and the rest 80 is people who come to you, they beg for you to subscribe, watch their videos, and when you do so, they just unsubscribe you and they gain 1 subscriber. Also, for me, what I do, I don't subscribe to channels which I don't like. I don't like as in, I do watch their videos, but if they don't have that potential to inspire me in any way, to make me like their content, so I don't subscribe. I might comment because they commented on mine, on my video. I will comment back on theirs, but I won't subscribe, and I wouldn't lie. And so what this does is, that person think that we are not supporting them in the way they want to support us, so they just unsubscribe. And you will obviously know that these people were there because they were subscription hungry, like they wanted someone just to subscribe to them. And most of the subscribers I have lost, I've counted the amount of subscribers I have lost, and then I went to my spam comment and I saw the same amount of people who were begging for me to subscribe to them. So those are the people who came, who subscribed, they didn't even watch the full freaking videos, and they expect me to go and subscribe to them. Little do they know that they are in my spam section, and when I don't subscribe to them, they unsubscribe me. So simple as that. I don't have any kind of guilt. I don't feel bad why why have I lost subscribers, because my genuine subscribers are still here. I've lost those people who are fake, and in my previous video I had mentioned I hate fake people. I can't tolerate them. They just disgust me. So I'm glad that they left and they don't get to see my content, because my content, when I do it with my heart. I do it for my friends who are genuinely interested in watching, and this has brought out the confidence in me to talk in front of the camera. And also someone once said that you should open a Patreon so that we can support you. I did, but then that person, he was lost. So I've closed my Patreon, I've closed my PayPal. Sorry for that. I'm sick since Saturday, and my throat, it's very uncomfortable right now. So anyways, yes, so my tripod, it's broken. It broke because I don't know what I was doing and I mishandled it and it broke. I have my light there. It's not a ring light. I had already done a review on that light, but I don't have battery at the moment. The battery is flat, so that's why I couldn't do a better lighting and filming, and I apologize. So, and this is the only reason why this kind of people leave you and leave each other. So you don't have to feel bad about it. You don't have to think that you are doing something wrong. No, you aren't doing anything wrong. It's just that these people, they were craving for attention, they were craving for subscribers, which they didn't get, and when they don't, they just showed their true colors and they unsubscribe. I saw this website. I don't know who created that. It's about me, and it has all my details, like how many videos I have, what's my watch time and all. And they estimated that my monthly income is $30, and my monthly income is shit. I don't earn anything, and I don't know who created this site and who estimated I earn that much and this much. And it's kind of funny, like people have so much time in hand to, you know, just do all these things. But whatever, I can't stop. And guys, if you want to add on any more points, so please feel free and do it in the comment section. And yeah, that's about it. This is what I wanted to talk about. And it's not my loss, it's their loss, because they don't get to see my content while they publish rubbish content. Nobody will bother about them. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching. And if you have any feedbacks, do comment in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you want to. If you feel like you want to share, you can share. And yeah, that's about it, guys.